watching Soul Mix Christmas edition. I am Brother Oliver, Brother O, or Brody for short.
And I am Lala.
And right
Lala
now, we are here in
Enchanted Kingdom! Yay!
Wow, Lala, it's nice to be with you here in Enchanted Kingdom.
It's nice to be with you too, Brody.
And we are celebrating Christmas here. So Lala, tell me, a most memorable Christmas image you have?
Christmas image. For me, it's the Christmas tree. Once it's set in our house, I can feel the Christmas season coming already.
Ano ba nasa Christmas tree? Mga Christmas balls?
A lot of things. Ornaments. Diba? Ribbons.
May stockings, diba?
May stockings for Santa Claus.
And then you put your
candy
gifts
canes,
sa
gifts
ilalim.
underneath. And then there's a star or an angel.
Saka family bonding yan eh. Yung gagawa kayo ng Christmas tree, assembling it and putting it up. Ano?
That's my favorite part.
Wow.
The bonding time with family.
I have another Christmas image in my mind.
So what's your Christmas image?
Sa akin naman, lantern.
Lantern.
Kasi nung kid ako, talagang may mga lantern parades kami. Pagandahan ng lantern yan. Talagang hindi nanalo lantern ko kasi may mga iba, mas maganda pa eh. May mga shining pa, may mga effects.
Ano ba yung lantern mo?
Wala star. Ordinary star. Mga iba, shining star, bright star,
yung
gano'n.
Plain paper star.
Plain paper star.
But that's okay. Pero for you, that's the best that you could do and that's okay.
Star of Christmas sa akin yan eh. Pero minsan, ang nanalo na lantern sa amin, yung pineapple lantern.
Why? Why pineapple?
Kasi nga, we come from a place na ang dami-daming pineapple.
Right. Ikaw nga, ikaw.
Yeah.
From your province.
Nanalo, pineapple lantern.
Kasi symbolic yun of the place that you were born, tas raised, and then the star, kinoconnect. Kaya mananalo talaga yung pineapple.
Alright, so Christmas is about kids really, and I hope you kids will have a fun Christmas talaga. So parents, give your kids a memorable Christmas.
Aw, that's so nice. That's a nice message. Yes, parents, please do that.
Alright,
okay,
check out
guys,
these videos.
enjoy our next videos.
Kung tayo'y magkakalayo, ang tanging iisipin ko, walang masayang na sandali habang kita'y kasama. Kung tayo'y magkakalayo, maging tapat ka pa kaya? Ibigin mo pa kaya ako kahit ako'y malayo na? Aking nadarama, pagsasama natin di magtatagal. Kay laki ng hadlang sa ating pag-ibig. Kung tayo'y magkakalayo, mapapatawad mo ba ako sa paghihirap na dulot ko sa buhay mo? Aking nadarama, pagsasama natin di magtatagal. Kay laki ng hadlang sa ating pag-ibig. Kung tayo'y magkakalayo, at kahit mayroon ka ng iba, ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko kahit ika'y malayo na. Ikaw pa rin ang buhay na